Hello lovely people. Just over 3 weeks ago, unbelievably, we suffered another horrible fox attack which almost made us give up on chicken keeping. It was so upsetting. We realised though that we had 11 very possibly fertilised eggs, which we would have normally eaten had the attack not happened, and that we had nothing to lose if we tried to incubate them and see what happened. So here's a short video of our most recent homeschooling journey, which has taught us all loads and led to great joy that came out of a sad loss. Lots of baby chicks coming. It's so exciting. I'm calling out for your brothers and sisters. Don't start fighting already. It's the pecking order in real time.
Probably. Trying to assert itself already.
Oh, it's exhausted. Brand spanking new chick. Well, this one's about to go. Look at this. Come on. One last big push. Come on. Yes. Come on, little one. Get out. It's hiding.
Yeah,
This
it's
is really
just most boring video ever.
This is not helpful, is it? Hang on. Come on. Come on, little one.
It's got on his head, look.
Oh,
Yeah, there
it's a
you go.
yellow one.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, hello. We have 3 babies.
Comes blinking into the light.
Oh, little one. Hello. I know this came out of a blue egg, and these 2 came out of white eggs, but one's yellow and one's black. So they're both Leghorn copper marrons. Okay. But they're different. Like one's like it's mummy, and one's like it's daddy. And this one came out of a blue one. Yeah. Oh, look at them pecking at each other. Oh, goodness. How'd you get? Good job.
You should have seen the yellow one. We were laughing because when it came out, it had half of the shell on its head.
It's bum
and
stuck.
it was just standing there going.
Oh, there you go. It's out. It's out. There it is.
Oh,
It's a girl. We don't know. It's a chicken. It's getting a bit crowded now. How many have we got, girls?
9.
9 chicks.
This is the 9th.
That's the 9th that's about to come out, and 2 eggs left. We're not sure.
I don't think this one is going to make it.
We're not sure what's going to happen, whether they're going to make it or not. But it's getting a little crowded.
I don't think this one is going to make it.
You never know. You never know. These are the last 2. Well, actually, last 2, and then there's 1 egg here that we're not sure whether anything's going to happen with or not. We can't really see any evidence, but we're going to give it, you know, a little bit more time. And all the others are here. And there are, so we have 10 hatched out of 11, which is not bad going. And these were the eggs that were left behind after a horrid fox attack. So even though, sadly, their daddy and their mummies have passed away, we have all these chickies. And they are less than a day old. Look at that.